Hello everybody. We are going to discuss the next part of fundamental concepts, part 2, exercise 13b. We have already started the 13b, so we are going to the next part of the exercise 13b. Here, come to the question number 2 and come to the question number 2 Roman 2. The expression is x square y plus xy square. Now you have to find the value. What is the value? It is given x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So now x square, that means 3 square into 2 plus 3 into 2 square. Just I am putting the respective values of x and y. So 3 square means 9 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square means 4. 9 2s are 18 and 4 3s are 12. So 18 plus 12, it comes 30. So the answer of that first expression is 30. Now come to the next one, 2 Roman 3. The expression is 6 within bracket x plus 3y minus within bracket 5z minus x, and the value of z, it is given here 5. Now put the value 6 into x, 3 plus 3 into y, that means 3 into 2, minus 5 into z, 5 into 5 minus x equal to 3. So 6 plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 5 5s are 25 minus 3. So 6 into 6 plus 3, 9 minus 25 minus 3, that is 22. Now 6 into 9, 54 minus 22. So 32 is the result. Here it is. Okay, move to the question number 3. You have to find the value of 3x plus 4y minus 6, and the given value of x equal to 2 1 by 3, that means 7 by 3, and value of y equal to 4 3 by 4, that is 19 by 4. Now substitute the value. 3 into x means 7 by 3 plus 4 into y means 19 by 4 minus 6. 3 and 3 cancelled out, 4 and 4 cancelled out. So 7 plus 19 minus 6. Okay, 19 plus 7 is 26 minus 6. So the result is 20. Come to the question number 4. Evaluate 3a plus 2b plus c, where the value of a is 1.2, value of b is 3.7, value of c is 1.4. So 3 into 1.2 plus 2 into 3.7 plus 1.4. So 3 into 1.2, that is 3.6, plus 2 into 3.7, that is 7.4 and plus 1.4. Now 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4 carried over 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 3 12. So 12.4, here it is the result of the fourth question. So here it is, exercise 13b completed. Now move to the exercise 13c. Here in the exercise of 13c, we have to learn about the polynomials, binomials and trinomials. So first of all, what is the polynomial? Polynomial means where there is only one algebraic expression is there. Okay? So sorry, monomial is that where only the one algebraic expression is there. Okay, I am discussing this one, say exercise 13c. Let us discuss this one, say 2 by 7 a square. So how many algebraic expression is there? Only one. So it is a monomial. For example, say this one, 2m plus 3n. It's very clear, 1 plus 2. How many expressions are there? Algebraic expression, 2 expressions are there. So it is termed as the binomial. And next one is that, say a minus 5b plus 7c. You see 1, 2 and 3. 3 different algebraic expressions are there. So it is trinomial. Now only one algebraic expression monomial, 2 algebraic expressions are there binomial and 3 algebraic expressions are there trinomial. Now if for any algebraic expression more than 2 or 3 or more than 3 algebraic expressions are there, these are termed as the polynomial. But you learn that binomial and trinomial, these are also a kind of polynomial, but these are the special kind of polynomial. Say I am giving you one example, say this one, say 2x square plus xyz plus 3y cube plus 2z. So you see that there are more than 3 algebraic expressions are there. So you may term it as this is a kind of polynomial. But always remember, for a polynomial, if the variables, these are the variables, algebraic expression x, y, z, these are the variables. Now if in any kind of algebraic expression, if the variables are there in the fraction form, that means it is situated in the denominator, then it is not termed as the polynomial. Say the expression contains 1 by x or 1 by x square or y by x or y square by x. If this kind of terms are there for an algebraic expression, you see that x square, x, these are actually in the denominator. It's expressed as a fraction. So we are not going to consider if this kind of variables are there present in a particular algebraic expression. These are not termed as the polynomial. I am giving you one example here. Say, I am giving you one example. Say, consider this one. Consider this one. Say, p square plus p square q minus 4p by q plus 8. This is an algebraic expression, but you see the variables q it is situated at the denominator. So we are not going to consider, this is the algebraic expression, but we are not going to consider this is a polynomial since the variable present at the denominator. Okay, so we are not going to consider this. But if you consider this expression, say 3 by 7 x square minus 3 by 7 say x cube plus 3. So you can consider it is a polynomial because you see the variables x square or x cube, they are situated in the numerator. So these are termed as the polynomial, but this particular expression is not termed as a polynomial. So this is the discussion of the next chapter 13c. Which one is the polynomial? You have to identify the polynomial, the monomial, the binomial, the trinomial, etc. So up to this much today. Thank you.